The NVIDIA GeForce GT 545 spent its life as a reliable CAD graphics card. Now it has reached its thermal limit. It whispers, "I've done my job." Case number 4. Let's find out what's going on underneath that shroud. First, the screws holding the heatsink in place. This is a Fermi-generation GT chip. Nothing exotic, just an old workhorse that's been doing exactly what it was built for over a decade. Heatsink off, and there it is, the die, still wearing its original factory thermal paste. Look at that, dry, cracked, practically turned to dust. This paste hasn't done its job in years. No wonder this card was running hot enough to shut itself down. This is a classic case. The GPU itself wasn't dying, it was just starving for contact with its own cooler. A closer look at the board. Solid components, no visible damage. This card still has some life left in it. Time to address something the eye can't easily catch. Cold, cracked solder joints. Years of heat cycling take a toll on the bigger components on this board, not just the GPU itself. A pass with the hot air rework station reflows that solder back into a solid connection. Old paste off, fresh paste on. A clean, even layer between die and heatsink. Shroud back on, screws back in. Simple as that. 10 years of neglect, undone in a few minutes. Now, the moment of truth, FurMark. Before and after. On the left, the original paste, temperatures climbing fast and staying high. On the right, same card, same load, fresh paste, noticeably cooler, and it holds steady. The GT545 isn't dead. It was never really dead, it was just buried under 10 years of dried out paste. Case 4 closed.